Hi guys, welcome to Phil.tv channel, please do subscribe. Apple's AirPods now come with $20,000 price tag. The lavish buds come dipped in white gold and covered in diamonds. Apple's AirPods have just gotten an insane upgrade that has increased the value of the company's wireless earbuds to a whopping $20,000, according to a report from Cult of Mac. The lavish buds were created by Los Angeles designer Delucca as a part of his New Materialism art series, which aims to guide us into new relationships with the material world by combining art and commerce. The artist has only created 25 pairs of the buds, and each set has been carefully inscribed with an edition number and creation date. Each pair of AirPods will also include a charging stand made of marble, instead of Apple's usual charging cases. While Delucca's creation may sound expensive to some, the AirPods actually fall on the cheaper side when compared to similar luxe gadgets, including other Apple products. According to Twitter of @Hypebeast, Los Angeles-based designer Delucca has crafted a set of diamond-encrusted AirPods. The wireless earphones have been decorated in 1000 VVS diamonds. They are limited to just 25 units and are priced at $20,000 USD each.